How do I know if I need new tires? Check your tread depth. Don't have a tread depth gauge? No problem. Grab a penny and a quarter. Place your penny head first into the main tread grooves. Check a few different spots. If part of Lincoln's head is covered by the tread, you are over the legal minimum of 2/32 of an inch. But is that enough? Traction in wet and winter can drop significantly when tread depth gets too shallow. Repeat the same process with a quarter. If part of Washington's head is covered by the tread, you have greater than 4/32 of an inch remaining. What does all this have to do with knowing the right time to replace your tires? If you will encounter rain and wet roads, it's time to replace your tires at 4/32 of an inch. Testing shows that wet traction can drop significantly with less than 4/32 of an inch. If you'll be driving on snow-covered roads, don't let your tread depth go below 5/32 of an inch. Your tires need tread depth to take bites out of snow and slush. Pocket change is practical. Use it to keep tabs on your tread depth so your tires are still ready to do the job. Your local Acura dealership is your local Acura authorized tire center, and where an Acura trained technician can install your tires. Ask your Acura service consultant for more information.